Hey guys, and welcome back to another Crypto Jet video, where today I wanted to talk about Avalanche, a really cool network, but then I realized that these guys have some news, and whenever I see news on a website, I just start tingling. So if you do enjoy this little review, I'm going to talk about everything Avalanche provides, why I believe they have a place in the future, and obviously at the end of the video, some juicy technicals and a nice break incoming or not. Leave a like if you enjoyed the video, it really means a lot to me. I spend a lot more time planning and creating these videos than it does to just hit that like button, so help a brother out. Now, this Multiverse program is essentially an incentive program to accelerate the growth of subnets. And if you click on the Learn More button, and you'll be taken into this Medium page right here where you can read a little bit about it. Essentially, it's an incentive program focused on accelerating the adoption and growth of this subnet functionality, which enables a rich ecosystem of scalable app-specific blockchains. So you have the main network, which is Avalanche, and then you have these subnets, which are connected and intertwined with Avalanche to work efficiently, scalably, and with all those fancy words that every single blockchain network out there uses, right? But essentially, the main focus points are blockchain-enabled gaming, decentralized finance, NFTs, and institutional use cases, the most important aspect of it. Now, if you scroll a little bit down, you can see that Avalanche is one of the core developers of the Avalanche client, and they are going to collaborate with AVAX companies with this asset management, Wintermute, Jump Crypto, and whatnot, to essentially build the first horizontally integrated blockchain specifically engineered for institutional DeFi with KYC functionality. Now, this is huge, and it's going to enable regulated institutions to leverage the power of subnets and make DeFi and all of these crypto things more accessible at the institutional level. Hear me out. We don't like institutions, we don't like regulation, but they are both a very good thing. If institutions start adopting Avalanche's ecosystem and other ecosystems around the world, it's going to help the overall innovation of crypto and make widespread adoption of crypto even larger in the future. Widespread adoption means that this market cap right here of $24 billion, right? Oh my God, what is happening? So this market cap of $24 billion is going to increase potentially twofold, threefold, fivefold in the future simply by the law of exponential growth. The more people coming into crypto means there will be more people buying into crypto as well. It's very simple. So regardless what the market is doing, if it's going up, if it's going down, the adoption is very important, and Web3 based services are going to be a huge part of it, and these subnets tie in very nicely with it. Now, what does Avalanche actually promote? Well, they have this blazingly fast, low cost, and eco-friendly ecosystem. They're very fast. You can build very fast apps, low cost, and Solidity compatible. If you didn't know, Solidity is a programming language specifically for crypto. Also, you can launch customized blockchains, private and public, and scale to millions of validators with minimal hardware, which is sort of beating what Ethereum is unable to do very efficiently. The Economist wrote about Avalanche being that it is a very green blockchain as well. You can see some of the actual benefits compared to Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Polkadot. One of the main ones is the transactions per second number, which you can see they have an infinite amount of transactions per second because of these subnets that they're actually promoting right now. So pretty cool stuff. Obviously, this is for developers right here. Nobody really cares. But some of the use cases of Avalanche itself is, first of all, in decentralized finance. By the way, leave a like. That's why I'm showing it like this. Second of all, you have institutions, enterprises, and governments. So a lot of this stuff, such as asset issuance, trading, CBDCs, debt financing, digital identity, document tracking, NFTs, digital collectibles, artwork, and a lot more. So really cool stuff, and a very, very broad network right here. But for the favorite part of the video, mine personally, is technicals. Now let's zoom out a little bit more to see if we can form somewhat of a longer term trend line. And yes, we can. So I don't know how valid this first candle is, since it was actually listed on Binance, but I'm just looking at the chart, and that's what it's showing, and it's showing a very nice position of the chart right now. So basically what we can see is a very important zone of support, previous resistance right here, support level all throughout, and currently creating a nice bullish flag pattern. So it's a bullish correction pattern. However you look at it, you can draw pretty much whatever you want, but the most important thing is this counter trend line right here. and it seems like it's going to be broken out of very soon. So if we do see a break on the lower time frames of this level right here, so if we see price, I'm going to remove this arrow just for sake of simplicity. If we see price make a break of this zone and then make a retracement down into the same one, this area right here would offer favorable buying opportunities for upside into the previous all-time high level. So if you want to mark it, you can mark it somewhat like this, and that's the zone that I would personally be looking at. So that's pretty much it for today's video. Lastly, I'm not a financial advisor and you should do your own due diligence before investing. Leave a like if you enjoyed it, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Adios.